Hi guys, it's great to see you again. I wasn't going to share this with you until next week, but I'm just so excited I really have to share it with you now. Canva has just launched a new feature which will allow you to remove the background of a photo within Canva in just one click. Once I've shown you how to do that, I'm going to show you 5 fabulous photo editing tricks. You can not only edit the new photograph that you've removed the background from, you can also edit and change the background completely. One of these photo edits is totally new, it's just been launched, so again I'm really excited to share it with you. If you're excited as well, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more tutorials. You will also need to know what not to do if you're removing the background of a photo and editing the background. There is something you definitely do not want to do, and I will share that with you towards the end of the tutorial, so make sure you stay tuned. So without further waffling from me, let's get started. Now that's done, let me show you how to edit your photograph and the background with these 5 editing tips. I mentioned at the start of the video that there was one thing you definitely didn't want to do when removing the background of your photo and editing the background. So let me show you what not to do. Once you've removed the background of your photo, make sure that you don't resize it so that it covers the entire background of your template. Otherwise, you won't be able to edit the background. That is it. That's all there is to this week's tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please do give it a like. In the meantime, you might want to check out some more of my Canva creative tips and tricks. I will see you next time. Bye.